How to add Collaborator on Wix. So here from the homepage of Wix, I've just entered my website. As you can see, this is my website. And if we want to add a collaborator, we will simply scroll all the way down from the left-hand side until we see the option for settings. Click on settings, and here we have to locate roles and permissions. So choose this option for roles and permissions. And here, if we want to invite collaborators, then all we have to do is click on this blue button here. You will type out their email address right here. I will do an example email, and you can choose what permissions you want to give them. So you can make them a co-owner, a website manager, designer, back office manager, content writer. You can also choose CMS roles here, billing roles, and marketing roles, as well as store roles, point of sale roles, and any other role you want to create. You can add right here at the bottom. So once you have chosen the permissions you want to give them, you will simply click on it, click on send invite, and that's how you add collaborators onto your Wix website. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.